Hi viewers, I am going to give you a demo on a school management system which has both back end and front end. Now what we are seeing is what customers or the public will see in the website. This is called the front end. You can see there's a slider where you can put nice and beautiful pictures of your school. It's customizable, and then there is our services. You can see that when I move around, the menu is automatically being clicked and then followed by what's parents say. So this is a slider, a small slider also. This is mobile friendly website also. You can see it's mobile friendly, you can see, right? And you have the menus all coming down. So let me show further, and we have what are the services available. Infant care, safety first. Then you can click here our activities, English classes, piano classes, swimming classes, drawing classes. You can put whatever you want here according to your school facilities. Then you see here the menu is automatically clicked. I just scroll down our team. Otherwise, if somebody clicks here, they can go to about us also. They can go to our team also. And here is the teacher's team or the staff that you have. And you can put what are their achievements or what are their experience. For example, Grace Chia is principal and founder. Ben Hudson is a teacher. You can put like that. And then visit us today. If you click this, you will come to the contact us. And you can send a message. You will get an email to your email ID. You can also call or WhatsApp your number and where are you located. The school is located also can be shown here. So let's pass back to the gallery. So here you can see the gallery. If you click all, you can see everything. Or if you want to have a study fun only, it's filtered out and you can see that. Activities only, you can see activities. If you want to see everything, you can see like that. So it has good animation effect also, you can see all. It flies around and you can see it's so beautiful, right? And then you have a contact us page. Then you can put your map where you are located. So welcome to Genius Kids KL, and what are the social link icons you can put here. So that is basically the front end. One more thing I want to show you is that, for example, any kid's parent want to sign up. They click, they can sign up here. You can see all the other menus are gone, right? But once they click the home, it comes back. Sign up, home, sign up, home, like that, right? So once they sign up, they can choose user type, which is teacher or parent. If it's a teacher, teacher can register also. If it's a parent, they can register as parent. And then once they register, they can go for the login and they can log in everything, all their username, password. Once they log in, they will come to what's called a backend. So let me show you a login. I just have a username mummy and I will give the password. I log in. So you can see all the other menus or the features, front end features are moved out, and now the mummy is seeing her profile and dashboard. If they click the dashboard, they can see Kids Corner notifications, what are the notifications they get from the school, and also the payment history. They can manage their payments every month through this dashboard. And once they log out, you can see the front end comes back. It's so nice, right? in the kids corner, whatever post is done in the back end by the teacher. For example, here you can see post ID, title, details, image column, posted by, and posted to classes. For example, I just put there are 4 classes in the school which is named Pearl, Ruby, Diamond and Gold. So the teacher can choose to which kids this post should go. It can be video, it can be a gallery of images or a single image. No problem. Whatever the teacher posts will be seen by the parent to help the kid to see the video or whatever the teacher has posted in the kids corner. That's a good feature, right? Especially when teacher want to give some extra reading or homework for the kids, they can relax in their home and see the videos or the explanatory notes with the help of their parents so that they learn up things faster. This is a facility that I am giving through the post here. So for example, this post is posted to Diamond and Gold. This post is posted to Pearl and Ruby. You can edit, delete anything. It's possible. For example, I just write here post description and then I save it. You can see that the post description is changed already. So this will be reflected in the kids corner for the parent. So you can update also any post that you did, or you can put a new post itself by doing a create the post. You can delete this as well. This is a wonderful feature, right? And further down, let's go to the back end. This is the back end. So the same mummy can log into the back end with a password. Once the mummy logins to the back end, they can see. Actually, it's for the admin I have shown. I need to put certain controls so that mummy or the teachers can see. Just I want to demo you the back end. You can see here the posts. You can do posts, right? And then you can put the user. You can put classes, blog, whatever you want to post, you can put here. All are visible in the front end. Whatever you do in the back end will be visible in the front end. For example, let's see great fun activity going to teacher home. Is it there in the blog? Let's see. So let's go to the blog. Great fun activity going to teacher home. You can see that. So whatever you post here, I'll just change something here and show you. Amazing. Let me put amazing, the extra word, right? I just save it. And then let's refresh this. You can see that great fun activity going to teacher home, amazing has come in, right? So that is how the backend works. So anybody who want to get this website for their school or their Tadiga or kindergarten can contact me. I will be able to customize for you a nice website which works nicely for you. Finally, one more thing I want to show here. I will put a payment management link here so that you can manage all the payments that any parent do for their children through their payment management, as I have shown before. I'll try to explain to you further. For example, mummy logs in, right? She logs in with her password. for her kid. Remember, for her kid. And then parent dashboard. She pays the payment history, she does her payment, everything. This will be shown for the teacher or the admin here. So I will be doing one more module so that the teacher is able to see and even get a report of what the parent has paid, as well as an overall report for the school itself. This is for the admin. So thanks for watching my video. If you like this channel, please subscribe, and I will give you my contact details at the end of this video so that you can WhatsApp me, and further you can order this website with me. Thanks and have a good day. Bye bye. That's my website, www.penangwebdeveloper.com, and my WhatsApp number +6019 3766 779.